Then comes the solar energy, and this kind of energy is very appealing because it is abundance. It is in abundance, and you just have to invent and keep inventing newer technology to grasp it, to suck it, and store it efficiently, cost effectively, and for a longer period of time, so that it can be transferred to the distance area also. So you have to keep inventing for that, and solar energy is everywhere. Apart from some areas in northern pole, okay, and in south pole, solar energy is everywhere, and lots of its energy is wasted. Civilizations, the human civilization, have not yet succeeded in acquiring all the radiated energy of sun, uh, which are uh, regularly and every day radiated towards the earth. So we have to invent the things. So there are solar cooker are there, in which you can cook your food, and plus point of that food is that it feels very delicious. That food feels very delicious, and there are some other benefits of it also. Apart from saving your money, which would have been would have been wasted or which have been used for purchasing fuel, it is now saved, and money saved is money gain, and that saved money can be utilized on some other purposes in your life. So I'm telling you that food in a solar cooker, it is not only delicious, but it have energy of sun also in it. Energy of sun also in it. Those who works on human energy, bioenergy, those scientists can understand this what I am saying. They are charged that food we eat out of a solar cooker, that food is charged from the solar Helios energy. Okay, and if we eat them, if we eat that, it will not beneficial for our digestion also, but it can work as a antibacterial, antiviral, and antiparasite natural substance in our body. If you eat that food, uh, some particle of sun energy you also gain in your system, and in your chi energy. Those who work in energy field, in that field, they can understand the chi energy is the life force of a living organism, which is surrounded around its body, around his body, and that living organism can be anything from a small virus, small bacteria, to the large mammals like whale and elephant, including the human, dogs, camels, all kinds of fishes, okay, all kinds of snakes, including the plant area. In plants also, plants is also surrounded by their respective chi energy. This chi energy is directly connected with our star. In biggest star in our solar system is sun, and we get recharged if we eat that kind of food. Even I would say, you should, if you want to drink a hot water, if you want to drink a hot water, instead of making it hot on a cooker and wasting your fuel, or making it hot on a electrical cooker and wasting your electricity and money, I would suggest you should put it on your solar cooker and let it become hot. It will become hot with zero amount of money, but that water also get charged out of that solar energy. And if you drink that water, it not only fulfill your thirst, but it will also provide you solar energy within your system. Okay, and once it goes in your intestine, it will act like a since it contains the positive energy of sun in it, it will lessen the negative energy in your system, and it can be the parasites also. It can be the viruses and bacteria and bad flora in your intestine also. So these are the benefit of drinking the solar water. So I would suggest that the most important energy within the renewable field in the renewable field is the solar energy, and it can be used and being used in electricity generation also. We have seen there are lots of solar panel you can see, and they generate energy. There are much innovations are going on and much research is being done on the technology of solar panels, and there are lots of concepts are there. There are some panels which are made out of a old technology of silicon slices. Then comes the double sliced silicon panel. Then people are working, the scientists, researcher are working on the graphene panel. And once the graphene panel technology succeeds, then the whole scenario of energy market and energy business and energy enterprises changes, because graphene is like 100 time I would not go in the numbers, but it is so much powerful, so much efficient in acquiring the solar energy. It sucks maximum energy of sun, and it generates more wattage. Okay, so it is 100 times better. I'm telling in a poetical sense, it is 100 times better from the silicon based panels, and it there are cheap also, because silicon and graphene all are in abundance in Earth's atmosphere and Earth on the surface of Earth. So graphene technology is the technology of tomorrow. Graphene technology based panels are there, and there are, instead of using lithium battery to store energy, to store electricity, the battery made out of graphene as an compound, it is also being researched, and lots of research are carried out, and we within some months we will see its widespread use among the many country, and it will be the revolutionary step, because solar panel will become cheaper also, and storing solar energy will become cheaper also. And once you store your energy in electrical form, then it can be used for any purpose, for cooking food, okay, for your entertainment purpose, for your tube lights, your LCD bulbs, your TVs, your fridge, your computer, your laptop, your charging your mobile, or your iron, for okay, or your electrical geyser. Instead of using electrical geyser, I would suggest you directly heat your water in a solar heater. That is also a very non-expensive technology, and it is a one-time investment. Once you invest a particular amount, you get that solar cooker, solar heater, and for a lifetime you will get free of cost hot water out of that solar heater, and you need to regularly do servicing for it. That's the only expense you will have to face, if you have to face, if you will have to face, if need be. Okay, that is not permanent. Chances are there for your entire lifetime you will never require to do it servicing. Okay, so that's kind of positive investment it is. So